Hi, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in today's video I'm going to cover 3 things that you can start doing today to help positively impact your business. I found that by giving business owners a free attack plan of things that they could do today to help improve their business for free has led to some of those business owners putting their trust in me and saying, "Hey Craig, I like you. Can you please help me?" So if at the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I'm very skilled at what I do and I can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take everything that I show you today, implement it yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over into 3 things that can positively impact your business today. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So I took your website, as you can see here, and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake, and we can see that you have about 1,100 words, almost 1,200. However, Google has released that when their algorithms scrub the pages, they're looking for a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. So we're falling a little short of that on your website. Now, it's very important that you do this, and the reason being is my second point. Now, the content quantity is very important, but the content quality is even more important. When you type something into Google, that algorithm looking for those 1,500 words is actually more specifically looking for keywords that are in the Google search bar. So when I type in, for example, crawl space repair Charleston, the reason this crawl space medic right here pops up is because of their keywords. So your keywords are services, home, Charleston, crawl, and space. Let's see what theirs are. As we can see, this is their website URL. They have crawl space Charleston repair crawl space 3736. You can see how many times they use it, whereas you have way less. That's going to be mainly because the content quantity is less, but also it's just that quality, right? This is the quality we're talking about, the quality keywords you want to have. Now, the third thing I'm going to talk about is the most important when we talk about getting this #1 organic listing, and that's going to be backlinking and link juice. So I took yours right here, as we can see, New Age LLP.com. And we can see you have quite a bit at 481 with 101 domains, and you're driving about 406 traffic. Your competition here has almost 2,000 backlinks with 400 referring domains, and they're driving in about 10,000 in traffic. Now, what is a backlink? Well, simply put, it goes like this. Site A links to Site B. So Site A is giving link juice via backlinks to Site B. And that is what shows Google that they have authority. It's basically a popularity contest. However, that's not all that matters. The other important thing is that they're quality backlinks. So if we go back to yours right here, we can see that your backlinks are coming from 11 to 20 and 0 to 10, and that is it. And we can look at theirs, and theirs are also coming from here. But you see these 3, that is what is giving them a good higher rating too. Sure, they have a ton more, but the higher your URL, the more relevant your URLs you're getting, the higher your UR and DR are going to be, and ultimately your higher ranking. Hopefully that makes sense. So in short, today we covered 3 things. We covered the content, and having 1,500 words minimum on this is going to be crucial because you can get more of that keywords that you want. Secondly, we discussed the importance of having those keywords and how you want to hit the keywords that people are going to type in Google, for example, crawl space repair Charleston. Thirdly, most importantly, we discussed backlinks and how you want to be able to beat the backlinks of your competitor with not only content or quantity, but quality of those backlinks. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can easily start climbing in Google and be #1 before you know it. So like I said before, you can take these strategies and implement them yourselves, and I'm totally okay with that. However, if you want the easier way and the faster way, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Thanks. Have a great day.